Raise repair zone. Bought some lights, LED tube. And light up your light and change your fluorescent tubes to LED. This is going to be the video for you. Okay, you take out your old fluorescent tubes, squeeze these little tabs here, this separator thing, here and here, and take off that shield. There we go. Then you have the ballast, you have your wires. Supplies you'll need is these two little, they call them a Mars connector or a wire nut. And you need a pair of wire strippers and a Phillips screwdriver to take that nut out to remove the ballast. We're going to cut these wires here, these yellow wires, and remove the white wire from here. You should take the power off or shut the power off, but if you don't touch the ground or this at the same time, you're not going to get a shock. You could touch this at the same time. See, the power's on. Where's my lights? There, you can see the power's on, but you can touch that, but you don't want to touch the ground because you have a ground wire in there. And you don't want to touch the black wire and that. You get a good wallop. So you do one at a time. Now, I'm going to cut these yellow wires from the ballast. Then on the other side, you got the red and the blue wires from the ballast. You just cut them off because we're going to join them up later. There you go. Now this ballast, get out of here. We'll unhook this black wire. Now be careful. You don't want to touch the other one. We're just going to take that and remove the wire. We'll put this wire nut back on so we don't have a problem. We'll do one side at a time. Now there's you could leave the ballast in, but I'm not. There's a nut here or a screw. You take that screw out. The ballast is poked in there. Pull it out. It's gone. We'll strip the wires. Probably ½ inch would be good. ½ inch on the yellow, and the bunch here, the red and the blue, will be 4 of them. I'm just going to pull those out here, and you strip them all off about ½ inch. Strip them off ½ inch, and join them together. The red and the blue, strip them off ½ inch and join them together. The white will hook up to the yellow lines, and the red and blue wires go to the black. Install the cover, install your LED lights, and it should work. There's the fluorescents that I'm going to change out, and there's the LEDs. Hope I helped you here, lighting up your life. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again.